how to install or set up AT&T Internet Air. Now, before you go ahead and set up your Internet Air, you'll have to be familiarized with the ports at the back of the physical router first. So outside of the box, you should be able to receive the physical router, a card with a QR code, the power cord, and usually they added it some LAN cables for free, the yellow ones. Now, at the back of your physical router, you should be able to see the indicator of your LED status lights, the connector of your 2.5 and GBE LAN cable, as well as your DC power, your factory reset button, SIM card cover, and then SIM card slot in the device label. Now, insert any physical SIM that you can use for you to be able to use internet into the physical router. Once you've successfully attached a SIM card to it, make sure that the DC power port is fully attached to the power outlet. Have it on, and once it is fully on, you now have to use other phones so that you can scan QR code. So this card right here has a QR code that you need to scan so that you will have to download the Smart Home Manager. Now, Smart Home Manager is actually in partnership with AT&T Internet Hub or the All-Fi Hub physical router. Once you have fully redirected into Smart Home Manager, fully installed it, you just need to create a free account. And once account creation is completed, you can go ahead and change your Wi-Fi name with these yellow arrows indicated on your screen. Have it on save, and you can also set up a password, and you now have fully set up your AT&T Internet Air. And that is how you install or set up your AT&T Internet Air.